Executive Due Diligence Report GlycoEra AG $130 million Series A Extension Novo Holdings backed Precision Immunology Protein Degraders October 26, 2023. This report is meant for educational purposes only and is not intended to constitute investment advice. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Past performance does not indicate future results. Investing is risky. 1. Company and Technology Overview. GlycoEra AG is a Swiss biotech advancing a novel class of biologics, extracellular protein degraders built on its proprietary CustomGlycan platform. The platform enables the creation of highly specific glycoengineered degraders designed to eliminate disease-causing proteins involved in autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. Mechanism of action. 𝗦 and point of care POC insights. GlycoEra AG degraders exploit natural glycan-based clearance pathways. Their biologics are tuned to engage cellular receptors like 𝗚𝗟𝗬𝗢𝗓𝗔𝗓 receptor to target and deliver extracellular proteins such as autoantibodies or cytokines for lysosomal degradation. This offers several competitive advantages. Selectivity removes pathogenic proteins with minimal immune suppression. Speed. Fast onset of action could be beneficial in flaring or rapidly progressive diseases. Modularity. The platform allows interchangeable targeting domains for rapid expansion to new indications. Patient-centric design. The potential for subcutaneous or outpatient delivery aligns with point-of-care and home administration trends. Validated POC studies in animal models, for example, lupus, raw show efficient clearance, immune normalization, and pharmacodynamic predictability superior to monoclonals. 2. Market insights and niche value. Therapeutic focus. GlycoEra focuses on diseases characterized by pathogenic extracellular proteins such as systemic lupus erythematosus, myasthenia gravis pemphigus vulgaris, rheumatoid arthritis, immune thrombocytopenia. These conditions suffer from suboptimal therapies with either limited efficacy or chronic toxicity. Competitive advantage. GlycoEra AG degraders occupy a white space between monoclonal antibodies and intracellular degraders like PROTACs, representing a first-in-class approach to extracellular protein degradation. The approach may be better tolerated, faster acting, and more precisely targeted than current standards of care. The CustomGlycan platform could potentially address over $20 billion in cumulative global market opportunities across autoimmune and rare inflammatory indications, with both orphan and broader applications. 3. Strategic trajectory and tech market fit. GlycoEra AG's platform reflects a strong technology push from glycoscience and synthetic biology advances. While also benefiting from a clear market pull, there is a growing demand for safer, more precise immunomodulation. Degrader technologies are of high interest to pharma and investors alike. Decentralized care models incentivize self-administrable and fast-acting therapies. The platform's modularity supports pipeline expansion and the creation of tailored assets for both rare and prevalent autoimmune diseases. 4. Strategic outlook. Prescriptive and integrated. Near-term 0 to 18 months. GlycoEra may focus on enabling studies, target prioritization, and scaling up lead asset manufacturing. This stage could drive internal valuation growth and support pre-IPO visibility. Fast-track designation may be pursued for one or more lead assets. Midterm 1836 months. With positive phase 1 to data, GlycoEra might achieve key inflection points in valuation and attract strategic licensing or co-development partners. It may prepare for IPO around this window. Long-term 3660 months. Assuming successful clinical results, the company may enter the commercial stage with its first marketed degrader in a selected autoimmune indication. Expanded labels and broader adoption could reinforce market leadership and economic upside. 5. Valuation and IPO forecast. Current status. As of mid-2025, GlycoEra is privately held. Following its $130 million Series A extension, its post-money valuation is estimated between $400 million and $500 million. It is currently pre-revenue with active preclinical programs IPO forecast. The company may pursue an initial public offering in the late 2026 to mid-2027 window. Assuming successful completion of early-stage trials and regulatory momentum, the potential pre-IPO valuation could range from $900 million to $1.3 billion, depending on clinical data quality, partnering activity, market sentiment for immunology-focused biotech. Stock value projection 2025-2028, assuming an IPO in 2027 and first market launch by 2028. Here is a projected economic trajectory. 2025, the company remains private with a valuation around $500 million. 2026, with positive phase 1 IA data, valuation might increase to $800 million, $1 billion. 2027, IPO may occur after interim phase 2 results, potentially reaching a $1.2 billion, $1.5 billion market cap. With an estimated 50 meters shares, the stock might price between $18 and $24 per share. 2028, following first product approval and launch, the market cap could rise to $2 billion, $2.8 billion, yielding a share price between $30 and $42. These projections assume no major safety or development setbacks, with continued market enthusiasm for precision immunology assets. Novo Holdings' reputation and track record of successful exit could further support investor confidence. 6. Final summary: GlycoEra AG stands out as a high-potential innovator in the immunology space, leveraging glycoengineering to offer a first-in-class modality in extracellular protein degradation. With robust preclinical data, a scalable platform, and significant investment backing, the company is positioned to address high-value clinical needs in autoimmune disease, capture a unique market niche with minimal direct competition, realize meaningful valuation gains across upcoming regulatory and clinical milestones. The company may pursue IPO readiness in the next 18 to 30 months, with significant stock value appreciation possible through 2028, contingent on regulatory success and strategic execution.